Aloha everyone! Today I am making some lobster rangoons, so stick around if you want to learn how to whip these up. If you've seen my last YouTube Shorts video, you know we had some healthy sized lobster tails. So instead of the traditional crab rangoons, I will be making it with lobster. To make a dozen rangoons, you'll need a half cup of lobster meat, a fourth cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, a few splashes of Worcestershire sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of chopped green onions, and a tablespoon of chopped white onions. Mix them all up and this will be your filling for your rangoons. It doesn't seem like a lot, but remember that you only need a little for each wrapper. Speaking of which, you will need square wonton wrappers, also a little bit of water to seal it up. Take one of your wrappers and hydrate the perimeter with water. Then add about half a tablespoon of your filling. You can adjust the amount of filling, you just need to remember not to put too much or it'll be difficult to seal. To close it up, grab opposite corners and pinch them together above the filling. Bring up the other two and have all the corners meet, pinching all 4 sides together, making sure there is no opening. The goal is to make sure your filling doesn't escape while we're frying. So patch up all those holes and pinch, pinch, pinch. Alright, I'm gonna share a little doofus moment with you. All these years, I thought this was called ragoons, not rangoons. I didn't even know there was an N in it until I did a spell check while making the thumbnail for this video. Please tell me I'm not the only one. Anyways, if you're still here, hi, and thank you for being here. Welcome all new or returning friends. Here on my channel, I share a lot of easy recipes, fun desserts, and I'm planning to incorporate a little more lifestyle into the mix. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on that notification bell because my upload schedule will be changing very soon. If you are already subscribed, I'm so happy you've decided to stick around. Let's get frying, shall we? Have your frying station ready with your oil, ready to drop wonton rangoons, and a paper towel to set it on. Once your oil has been heated to 350 degrees, you can start dropping them in. I always like to do a test fry before I throw in a batch. You know it's ready once the edges start to brown. It fried nicely, so in goes the rest. I actually would have liked to fry them a little bit more, but I failed to seal them up good, so the filling started to ooze out, which aggravated the oil. And of course this happens when I decided to fry inside of the house instead of outside. So the next time I make these, I think an egg wash in place of water might be a better glue. There are many different sauces you can dip these in, but I like eating them just the way they are. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you pronounce them ragoons or rangoons. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to inspiring you with future videos.